Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best mini drones for aerial photography and fun. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. Xiaomi 811 Mini Drone 4K capture stunning aerial views with the Xiaomi 811 Mini Drone, featuring a 4K professional camera, 2K HD, and 1080p wide-angle lens. This Wi-Fi FPV-RC drone offers height-keeping capability, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced flyers. A great toy for kids, it doubles as a helicopter for fun and easy flying. The advantages of this mini drone are high-quality 4K and 2K HD cameras, stable height-keeping feature, easy to fly, suitable for kids. The disadvantages of this mini drone are limited flight time, basic obstacle avoidance features. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. Lenovo V80 Mini Drone 8K. The Lenovo V80 Mini Drone comes equipped with an 8K HD dual camera and 5G GPS for precision flying. With obstacle avoidance and optical flow technology, it ensures smooth and safe aerial photography. This foldable UAV toy is perfect for capturing breathtaking shots up to 9,000 meters away. The advantages of this mini drone are 8K HD dual camera for high-resolution photos, advanced obstacle avoidance system, long-distance range up to 9,000 meters. The disadvantages of this mini drone are higher learning curve for beginners, shorter battery life with extended use. At number 3. New Mini LU200 Drone 8K. Experience advanced aerial photography with the new Mini LU200 drone. Featuring an 8K HD dual camera, 4-way obstacle avoidance, and smart location hover, this quadcopter ensures crisp and clear shots. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, perfect for on-the-go aerial photography. The advantages of this mini drone are 8K HD camera for sharp imagery, 4-way obstacle avoidance, portable foldable design. The disadvantages of this mini drone are slightly heavier build, limited smart features for advanced users. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Potensic Mini Drone 4K. The Potensic Mini Drone offers a professional-grade 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal for stable shots. With a 6 km GPS range, brushless motors, and smooth flying experience, this drone is ideal for travel enthusiasts and aerial photography lovers. It's a great gift choice for anyone interested in drones. The advantages of this mini drone are 4K camera with 3-axis gimbal, extended 6 km GPS range, brushless motors for smooth operation. The disadvantages of this mini drone are higher price point, may require additional accessories for best use. At number 1. Mini V30 Drone 8K. The Mini V30 Drone is designed for professional aerial photography with its 8K HD camera and FPV capability. Equipped with obstacle avoidance technology, this drone offers a smooth flying experience for capturing high-quality footage. Its compact size makes it a great gift for drone enthusiasts. The advantages of this mini drone are 8K HD camera for detailed photos, effective obstacle avoidance, compact and portable design. The disadvantages of this mini drone are limited battery life, requires frequent calibration for optimal performance,